Hi, I'm Alex Wolven, and these are your MHS Daily Announcements for Saturday, November 3rd. American Legion Speech Contest and Junior High Conference Room, 3 p.m. Unified Bowling at Lexington, 9 a.m. Monday, November 5th. Softball Award Banquet at St. Ernst Bureau Cafe, 5:30 p.m. Winter Athlete Parent Meeting in Senior High Gym, 7 p.m. Highly suggested. The athletic department is asking that you register your athlete online at our activity registration site. You will need to enter in the student ID to continue. FFA members, please stop by Miss Miller's room on your way to lunch to pick up your FFA t-shirt. Football playoff tickets for second round playoffs will be sold today till noon in the high school office, the sports shop, and St. Ernst Bakery. Adults $7, students $5. The McCook vs. Waverly game will begin at 6 p.m. this Friday. Everyone can bring a picture of their favorite veteran to be displayed. Turn into office before November 9th on Veterans Day. Thank you, and those are your MHS Daily Announcements.